Welcome to the Model Car Vault. Today I'm bat stoked to be unboxing the Jada Classic TV Series Batmobile, which is a 1/18 scale diecast and includes Batman and Robin figurines. And as a bonus, it lights up too. I grabbed this beauty on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. Okay, I've been waiting to do this unboxing for a while now. Let's get this wrapping off. Alright, first impression, the box itself is impressive. It's sturdy, solid, clearly designed with collectors in mind. It's got a sleek laminated finish. It's definitely something you want to keep for storage or display purposes. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, off with this little cover, and first thing we see is Batman and Robin. The figurines are die-cast and really well made. They have a bit of a metallic finish and a nice hefty weight that gives them a premium feel. Batman's cape is made of, I think, vinyl because it's flexible, while Robin's arms and cape are also vinyl. Both figurines can stand on their own, although it's a bit of a balancing act. Alright, let's put them aside and get to the Batmobile. Alright, let's take out the paperwork, which looks like it's just saying it needs 3 LR44 batteries, which I believe are included according to the box. Alright, let's take this wrapping off. Comes out easy, and well, it's all one piece. Wow, it's heavy. I love that. Okay, this is a beauty. Clearly high quality look and feel. Alright, let's put it down on my rotating display so we can just absorb this for a moment. By the way, this is my very first unboxing video here on the channel. So if you're enjoying it, give it a like, subscribe, or just drop a comment if you want to see more. So again, this car is from the original Batman TV show. Originally designed by George Barris and based on a 1955 Lincoln Mercury Futura concept car. Curious to know how many of you have actually watched the original Batman TV show. Let me know in the comments. So this will be a brief overview, but I have a fully detailed review you can watch on my channel. I'll put a link to it. Okay, let's get started with the front end. I think it's so badass looking, especially for its time. So iconic and really nicely done here. Moving to the side, the glossy paint finish is top notch. Really impressive, I gotta say. The signature orangey red stripe runs along the entire car, and you got your classic Batman logo on the doors. The chrome wheels with the Batman decals are a nice touch too, and the tires seem to be made of rubber, and if you're wondering, they're locked in one position. The interior looks highly detailed, with some Bat accessories like the Bat phone there. So cool. And check out that steering wheel. Looks like Jada really cares about details, at least on this one. Okay, so going to the back, it's also very nicely finished, with the Batwing tail fins and of course the unmistakable turbine exhaust. That's enough to make any fan geek out. Alright, let's turn it over for a little bit. Okay, wow, I love that there's a full dual chrome exhaust, and it looks like there's a switch here, which I'm assuming will turn on the lights. Oh yeah, here we go. You got the blinking red siren, the front lights, the rear lights, and the turbine. Pretty cool. I mean, come on, that's super cool. Honestly, I wish more model cars had working lights like this. Really brings the car to life. The doors open nicely, as well as the hood, revealing a nicely detailed turbine engine. Oh, look at that. Surprisingly, the trunk opens too, which I was not expecting. So, overall, it feels really nice and feels like a true collectible. I gotta tell you that it probably looks way better in person than it does on video, or at least on the videos I've seen. I love it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one out on display or keep it in this nice box for safekeeping. Maybe keep the value up over time. What do you think? Let me know what you would do. Well, there's lots more to explore in this Batmobile, so check out my full review right here where I dive into all its Bat details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos right here in the Model Car Vault.